On the way to heaven, look for the lanterns. Wandering and floating, suspended in the quiet stillness, like ships passing in the night. When the merciless heat of the day is beaten back and the stars align. Along the bustling trade route of the spirit, where flesh and dream negotiate. Above the red tiled rooftops and beyond the horizon. When you arrive, look for the lone oarsman.
Buenos dias from Canal side in the beautiful Vietnamese port town of Hội An. We've been here a few days shopping, bopping around, making friends in a town that's been a trading center for the global village since before America was a country.
We're staying in a gorgeous hotel. We've had clothes handmade for us. We've been drinking 30-cent beers right on the riverfront. We've gone to a beautiful beach.
And we got to enjoy the ambience of Old Town Hội An, which is famous for its hung lanterns strung across the walkways.
It's really great to go in the day. It's very hot, but once you get there at night and all the lanterns light up, it's gorgeous.
Now, this town isn't exactly a secret. I would say that there's thousands of people who congregate every evening on the canal side and walk the promenade and walk along the canal. But don't let that deter you from coming, because it still has a small town intimacy and the architecture is astounding. Another legacy of the French, who were here for 150 years prior to the American-Vietnam conflict.
We're about to jump on a train down to Ho Chi Minh City or Saigon. It'll be about 16 hours. It'll be an adventure.
This was one of my favorite places ever to fly the drone. We got some incredible shots of both the canals and a very happy swimmer on a rooftop pool.